yeah. Oh, that one's pulling. That one's pulling. Alright guys, what up? We're back out here fishing. We're walking to our destination. And we're going to try to get bit on these spotted bay bass. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that notification so you know when I post. Also go check out my Instagram at West Coast Fishing Society. Alright guys, let's go get bit. Oh, we're bit. We're bit. We're bit. Stay on, stay on, stay on. We're bit. It's a little sucker, but we're bit. Look at that. Alright. That Viking head HD baits. Beautiful spotty. That's what we're throwing. Alright, let's get back out there. We found the taker. Let's see if we can get some more. Oh yeah. Oh, that one's pulling. That one's pulling. Oh no. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, that's a big one. Oh. Oh my goodness. That's a good one. That is a good one. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Decent. This one's hella decent. Ooh, on that Viking head HD baits. Look at this chunk. Nice. Look at this bad boy. That was right after this first one. Nice. This is it. Let's get a slight measurement on them. That's a good 15. That's a good 15. Alright. Thanks for biting, buddy. Nice. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Number three. Number three. Wait. Little guy. But that's another one on the Viking head. Chill, chill, chill. Alright. That's a little one. Thank you for fighting. Alright guys, so that's the end of this session, and good little day on the water. You know, short pounding. Caught on 3 spotted bay bass. One was about 15 inch. It was a little over, but we're going to call it 15. And if you're new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video so we can get these videos out there, and if you like it, I'll keep posting more. Go ahead and go to my Instagram, West Coast Fishing Society. If you got any questions, go ahead, leave it in the comments below, or shoot me a DM on Instagram. So until next time guys, tight lines.